Hello, so this is my project. So firstly for the sick scenario, I get something like this. I'm moving the red car and you see it following like this. So the way I did this was over here. I calculated the acceleration, which like all the functionalities in this class, but yeah, many bunch of vector stuff. Firstly, like deciding the target velocity based on displacement, getting the current velocity, getting the acceleration, and then just doing the dot product stuff with like the rotated and the stuff. Yeah. Next, for the arrive scenario, it's like this. And no, that's sick. Arrive scenario. It's slowly starts moving, and then it speeds up, and then it enters the slow radius, keeps slowing down, and it stops right there. If you make the velocity too high, or if you make the slow radius too small, what happens is it starts oscillating like that. But yeah, well, quite simple. There's like a slow radius where the thing slows down, which is like, which I implemented like this. So it slows down when it enters the flow radius. It enters the target radius, then it sets everything to 0. Yeah, and this is my parameters. Finally, for the wall avoidance, this was the most time-consuming one to set up because it was hard to figure out what the best parameters for everything was. But yeah, my main approach was I made, this was quite a maybe an unintended approach, but I made a bunch of rectangles that point like 45 degrees for like almost every direction of the car except like the sides, and it's like 15 times the car height. So then if it sees a obstacle like over there, what happens is the obstacle pushes it in the opposite direction from that. So that's the reason you see like this behavior of getting pushed this way. But also another thing is this car is still trying to go here. So it's like a vector addition of the acceleration that, yeah, but that's about it. See ya.